How to change your avatar or profile picture in Mobile Legends. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Now tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Mobile Legends. Now tap on search. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on play and wait for the game to load. Now on the home page, simply tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now tap on your profile picture. Now tap on change avatar icon. Now tap on the plus icon or choose any of your avatar. Now tap on edit. Now tap on take photo or photo album or sync Facebook or VK avatar. Now wait for some time and choose your photo, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.